Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. This is my first official full video that I have filmed in like a month and a half. I just did a couple wrap-ups of Empties and Sample Saturday, but other than that, I have not filmed since the middle of June when I was really sick. So there's been a lot of people who think, I hope you get better. I've been better. I just took me forever to get anything edited, and I thought I was going to get more time to edit, but I didn't because I was away at dance camp and it was a lot of work and it was crazy. I didn't have very much downtime at all. So yeah, anyway, I have my Ipsy. I'm very excited about my Ipsy. I also have my Macy's, and you might have seen in the thumbnail, this was what we got instead of like a bag or anything. So it's just a paper fan. I mean, it's pretty. I do enjoy fans. I like the ones where you can crack them open though. That's the ballet dancer in me that's like, whoosh, when I do key tree. But it's very pretty. I do like it. It feels pretty cheap compared to some of the bags and stuff that we've gotten in the past. But, you know, it's something different, I guess. And I feel like I'll actually kind of wear it or use it. All right. Macy's also had a $5 off coupon like they always do. And then let's just get into it. Before I start, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please let me know how your summer is going. How is your July? It's going to be, it's almost August. It's crazy. My birthday is like in 2 days. This might actually go up on my birthday. I might put this up today. So my birthday is the same birthday as Harry Potter, if you are a nerd in that regard. Okay, so first up, I have Valentino Donna Born in Roma. I do own this in full size and 1 ounce. I have 2 of them because I bought them at a Nordstrom sale. So it's a good perfume. I really do enjoy it. It's not exciting to get because it's been out for several years. There's so many flankers. I wish they would have sent like the newest flanker, green extravaganza, or there's a new one that's gold coming out. Like that would have been nice. Then we have a Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate Vitamin C. I think this one is pretty good that I've tried it before, so I'm not mad at that. I don't always love Kiehl's, but I think that's one of the things that I liked from Kiehl's. From Lancome, I have an Advanced Genifique Concentrate, or Youth Activating Concentrate. It's a good serum as well. I've used this. It's usually as a neck and chest serum, so I'm not mad at that. We have from Nude Sticks, what is this? This is a nude screen lip primer with SPF 30. Okay, it has a natural tint. It's very tiny. Light and hydrating natural lip base and primer that can be worn under any lip color to protect against broad spectrum UVA, UVB, and reduce the visible signs of lip aging. Okay. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it does have a shade to it. We're going to put it over my sunscreen because I still have glitter from Sample Saturday. So that's what it looks like. I don't really want to rub it out though. So it's just going to sit there for right now. Then we have from Kopari, this is the Sun Shield Soft Glow Daily Face, SPF 30. So another sunscreen. I started actually using up my sunscreens this summer, so my bag is empty, not quite empty, but more empty. So that's interesting. I will use that. And then the last thing in here is the Bup Eraser Body Scrub from First Day Beauty. So all in all, pretty good. The only thing I'm kind of disappointed in is the perfume sample. But I feel like these are new things. Well, not everything's new. The 2 serums are kind of standards. I don't mind those at all. The body scrub I think is a good one that people have kind of a cult following. And then we have 2 SPFs in different forms, which I think is really kind of cool. So yeah, not mad at that at all. Then we come to Ipsy. Now, Ipsy, why are you sending us this bag again? You sent us this last July. July is my birthday month. I want something special my birthday month. I don't want a reused bag 2 years in a row. Yes, I looked it up. I was like, oh, they sent us this before. Yes, last July, they also sent us this bag. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Sorry, I'm just really irritated because this is also the refreshments bag, so it's not like people don't have it. It's just super lazy and cheap to me, like to reuse it and to do it the same month 2 years in a row. Like that really is messed up. I'm trying not to swear because I'm a little upset. I was like, wait a second, what? That's the bag they're sending people. I was not happy. I did get an add-on. I picked up the Kosas Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. I got it in the second shade. This is the Sheer Light. It's supposed to be translucent clear. It's in the shade Breezy. I have been going through setting powder, so I thought, you know what, I'll try something new. I think it should be fine. It still looks a little light, maybe a little yellowish, but I did pick up that. That was $12. I don't know. The first thing I have in here is the Facial Radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. These are fine. I know people really like these. I've used them. I don't use them that much. So they will go in my pile of things that I need to start trying to use. But I have so many night serums that I already like because I like to have like not a lactic acid, but like something that's an active acid. So right now I'm using my Ola Hendrickson Truth Serum, not Truth Serum, the night one that they no longer sell. It's my last bottle. I'm very sad. I really liked that stuff. And then I like a retinol. So I like to alternate each night, and I guess I can put those in instead, but I just have my routine and I don't want to change it. So there's that. We have Seraphine Botanicals Periwinkle and Pop Soft Sculpting Blush. We do have a card. This is the Passport to Glow. So the First Aid, a full size of this is 36 for 60. There we go. My goodness. And then this is the full size for 24. I don't know. I've gotten Seraphine. It's been years since I've gotten anything from Seraphine. And I remember them being just like, okay, they weren't anything special. That is tiny for $24. Like, I can get a Clinique one that is larger for the same price. It's a pretty color. We'll swatch it at the end though, because I don't want to get it over what else I have. So we'll come back to that. We have a Aloe. Never heard of them. It's a soft matte foundation and nude one that looks a little light for me. This is retails for $10 for a full size. So I don't know. It's cool when they're like, it's 30 grams is the full size for $10, but this is in milliliters and ounces. So how does that translate to grams? I don't know. I am not a mathematician. I should probably be better at math, and conversions, but that's not something that occurs in my everyday life that I have to think about. Ooh, that is very light. There you go. Ooh, very, very light. Yeah, I don't know that's gonna work, but we'll give it a go. I should have been more prepared. I should have had makeup wipes, and I didn't. Because I haven't filmed in over a month. Like, I'm just completely out of it. We have Briogeo Style and Treat Yuzu and Plum Oil Soft Power Air Dry Cream. Okay, so you put this in your hair, and it's $26 for a full size, which is 4 ounces. So this is not quite an ounce. That's not too bad. I'll take it. And then finally, we have from Pistache Skincare. This is the Pistachio Biscotti Perfume. This retails full size 100 ml for $42. This is 20 ml. It does not feel like 20 ml. It feels like it's definitely not full. Yeah, it's only about half full. I think it's leaked out. Like, you can look in there. So I'll contact Ipsy and tell them I think this leaked out. It smells okay. It's definitely not 20 mils worth. Like, it's not as much as like a full size perfume. Let's see. Where do I want to spray this? It is so light, I can barely smell it at all. It's okay. Um, it's more gourmand than the Kayali, but it's not quite as much as the Boom Boom Cream, like that type of a scent, somewhere in between. All right, let's swatch this guy before, because I got stuff all over. That's what it looks like. That's a pretty color. So yeah, we'll give the blush a go. I'm actually just winding up using all of my blushes, different one every day. So this will be a fun one to try out next. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy. How are you doing? Are you having a good month, a good day, good year? Let me know. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.